Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. What is a liter review and why is important? Present by Febiadeka Putra, NPM 19311098, Course Metodologi Penelitian. Introduction. Every research project begins with a question, but that question rarely emerges in a vacuum. Before conducting new research, scholar must understand what has already been studied, tested, and debated. 1. Build on existing knowledge. New research events conversion already in progress. 2. Establish context. Understanding prior studies frame the problem clearly. 3. Justify the need. Previous work reveals what still remains unanswered. Next. What is a literature review? Literature review is a systematic summary, critical evaluation, and analytical synthesis of existing scholarly works relevant to a specific research topic. It's not merely a list of sorts, it's a structured argument about the state of knowledge in a field. It identifies pattern, condition, methodological approach, and theoretical framework across previously published studies. Next. Main purpose of literature review. Understand prior studies. Survey what research have already discovered about the topic. Avoid duplication. Ensures the proposed study does not merely replicate what already exists. Build theoretical foundation. Establish the conceptual framework and key theories underpinning the research. Support research direction. Guides the research toward meaningful, well-grounded research question. Next. Why a literature review important? Improve research quality. Ground the study in established evidence, raising its academic rigor and credibility. Provides deeper understanding. Expose the research to diverse perspectives, methodologies, and findings in the field. Identifies strengths, weakness. Reveals what past studies did well and where they feel short in forming a stronger approach. Next. Source used in a literature review, journal and article. Peer-reviewed journals are the gold standard for credible, thorough research findings. Books and textbooks provide in deep theoretical framework and comprehensive domain knowledge. Conference papers offer cutting-edge emerging research. They may not yet appear in journals. Online database platforms such as Google Scholar, Gestor, and Scopus provide access to vast academic archive. Next. Key concept. What is a research gap? A research gap is an unanswered question, unexplored area, or unsolved limitation identified within existing literature. Through a careful literature review, research pinpoint where knowledge is incomplete, contradictory, or absent. And this piece become the justification for new original research. Well-identified research gap is the foundation of a compelling research proposal. Stage 2 identify. Stage 1 review existing studies. Stage 2 identify limitation and answer questions. Stage 2 discover research gap and new study. Next. Example of a research gap. What exists? Many studies on online learning in urban universities well document finding. What is missing? Very few studies on online learning in rural high school. Limit evidence and data. Spotting the gap. Existing research has extensively examined online learning in higher education setting. However, a research gap emerges when observed that very few studies have investigated the effectiveness of online learning in rural secondary schools. This missing area, rural high school context, become valid and original research opportunity worthy and investigation. Next. Conclusion. A literature review is for more than a formality. Is the intellectual backbone of any credible research study. 1. Understand existing knowledge is survey and synthesis what academic community already knows about a topic. 2. Strengthen the research foundation is ground your study in theory, evidence, established methodology. 3. Identify research gaps is reveal unexplored areas opening the door for meaningful original contribution. Next. Thank you. Any question? Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.